After having a universal infrared remote control and a thermometer, then the linkage between temperature and air conditioning can be realized. First, a network configured infrared remote control and the temperature humidity device are needed respectively. The universal remote control needs to add the air conditioner to be linked. Look for and add linkage scenarios in the temperature humidity device. Set up a linkage command to turn on the air conditioner when the temperature exceeds 30 degrees. When the temperature measured by the temperature humidity device reaches 30 degrees or above, the air conditioner will be turned on.